On behalf of Realmark, Brent and I are more than honoured to be taking to market the Royal George Hotel in East Fremantle on behalf of Saracen. If this wasn't a masterpiece, we would have knocked it down years ago. There's a reason this is a heritage building. We kept it because its built form is spectacular. You bring into that Michael Patroni as one of the best heritage architects in Australia. Saracen is one of the best developers in Australia. And you bring in the upmarket George Street sitting in the heart of East Fremantle. This is an opportunity that doesn't come by every day. And it actually really is for a specific operator to come in and make this their own. This will become the driving heart of George Street, East Fremantle, and this is your opportunity to be that driving heart.
The Royal George offers over 1,500 square metres of premium hospitality space, including the basement, lower ground floor, the ground floor, first floor, and additional cupola. Subject to requirement, the boutique hotel rooms could be converted into full floor function room with a 90 square metre of wraparound balcony area, making it a prime position for a Fremantle sunset. Connecting the old and new, the developers have retained the bespoke outdoor terrace area. The unique offering is being presented as Expressions of Interest campaign, where we would welcome all prospective buyers and tenants to register their interest prior to the closing date to ensure they don't miss out on a chance to become part of the 100-year-old Fremantle history. If you'd like further information or a tour of the site, please feel free to contact Michael Richardson or myself today.